But I do not, I said, I do not want to inquire because nobody would tell me the truth anyway. So, because there is nobody I can ask. The voting was secret. So, pero sayang, she was really, tsaka bright.
Sir, sundutin ko na lang po. Sir, you still don't have a secretary for the DILG? Meron na po ba tayong nakikita na
Yes.
sino po, sir?
Yes, it's Anyo. But Anyo cannot work as a secretary because there is a prohibition that he cannot be appointed because he's a military man, but 1 year after. So I need his services. Anyo would be under me. I would make him a senior aide of the office of the president or whatever, or undersecretary if that is legally feasible. Ilagay ko lang siya undersecretary but he performs as officer in charge.
So for now, sir, no DILG secretary yet?
It's Anyo. But
It's
he
Anyo.
has a mission. Sabi ko, tapusin mo muna yung Marawi. Then I want you to go to the DILG. There will be a new PDEA chief. It's General Aaron Aquino, the regional commander. He was assigned in Davao. He's not from Davao. But, maraming mahusay talaga sa military. The problem is I don't know them personally. Pero kay karamihan taga Davao, but they are not Davaoenos. Along their way, sila si Mato, they were assigned as division commander, sa regiment. So nakilala ko sila because I was working also as mayor. Ito si Simato, is bright. Basa mo lang yan. What is mining, what are permissible, and what are not permissible. Di naman kailangan niyan. Then if anything you would like to know, just go to the internet. Everything is there. Ako hindi lang ako marunong Totoo, that's my regret actually. I do not know how to operate because there are many things that I want to learn at this time, but I have to ask something to do it for me. Na pumasok ka doon tapos find out the word and tell me about it. Nandyan lahat eh. Ang problema lang, si Pia walang panahon. Sabi ko, turuan mo ako how to operate ng ganon. Tingnan ko kung ano yung sinusulat niya. Binabackfight na.
Thank you, Tricia Macas. Next question, Raymond Tinasa, Bombo Radyo.
Hi, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir?
Good to see you.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Anyway, sir, na-mention nyo na thrice nang nag-render ng resignation si
Correct.
Nicanor Feldon.
On file.
Yeah, so any changes or have you reconsidered na baka this time ay tanggapin? And even may mga bago yata na mga deputy commissioners.
From the tone of his resignation, he's very disappointed. But I really believe he's an honest man. You know, I don't know if I should tell you this. Long before, I mean, even 2 years before nag-decide ako, one of the earliest nagpunta, marami sila, Feldon, mga generals, they went to Davao. And they sought an audience with me, and sa aming usapan, asked me to run. One of them is Feldon. And I have watched him. And I have asked people there while he was there. And I have no reason to really to doubt. Government would need Feldon. But where, I really do not know. But sabi ko, we just stay there. You just coast along because I would need the services of a good, honest officer.
Thank you, sir.
Last question
Uy,
from
para
Cedric Castillo, GMA7.
too early. Parang
Sir,
itong burol.
Sir, good evening po. Sorry, hindi na ako makatay. Sir, what is to become of General La Peña kung papalitan na siya sa PIDEA po?
No, he's going to be the Commissioner of Customs. General Aaron Aquino, the regional commander of Region 3 sa PNP, will become the PDEA chief. I am now looking, I'm scouting for maraming mabakante dyan. So, but initially, you have the DILG and itong DSWD. Now, maraming nagtanong if it is a concession to the left. Hindi naman, but I believe kasi yung mga taong ganon, especially those who are always with the people, they mix it up every time. They have the ears on the ground and alam nila what's happening. Kung magkuha ka ng mayaman, nasa taas, bright, pero wala namang grasp sa reality. And they could not understand really the problems of the poor. And they would never know the sentiments of the people who are really in need of help. So that's the problem. So you have to get something yung doon.
Sir, to put on record lang, you will be accepting the resignation na po of Captain Feldon. Tama po?
Wala na. If I appoint La Peña, automatic na yan. No need. If somebody is appointed in the position, meaning to say automatic na yan, umalis ka. But Feldon, in fairness to him, tried to resign twice. Yung papel niya, we can show to you. Just remind me, nandyan tayo sa, dyan sa palasyo ninyo.
Sir, saan po,
Inyo yan. Nandoon nakafile yung papers niya of resignation.
saan niyo po ilalagay si Captain Feldon, sir?
I don't know, but I need men of his caliber. Feldon. Isahan lang siya eh. Alam mo, ang rotten talaga dyan is the system. If I may say so. Not necessarily the person. But the Bureau of Customs has a rotten system. You need somebody to have a system there, a new one, and a competent military man can do it, just like Gerald La Peña. Kaya niya yan. And I have General La Peña enjoys my confidence and trust, which is very important. Otherwise, if we go back to the same old problem. If he says that there will be a massive reorganization, sa kanya yan. It's his decision. Ilagay ko siya dyan. Sabi niya, we will reorganize a massive one. Yung taga-probinsya, dalhin niya doon, tapos ito itapon niya sa Zamboanga. Baka ang next target ng Maote ang Zamboanga, di doon sila.
Sir, kailan po ang effectivity ng transfer ni General La Peña?
No, once I have not made it yet. I was there in Davao. I just arrived the other night. But I have decided na gano'n. Alam ni Feldon that tatanggapin ko. So sabi ko, just give me time, do not hurry me up, because I have to make decisions and select the proper and appropriate human beings to do it.
Sir, balikan ko lang po yung insidente kay Kian De Los Santos, sir. Gusto ko lang malaman, sir, ano po ang take nyo dun sa intelligence information ng Caloocan Police na di umano, sir, itong si Kian ay runner and courier allegedly ng drugs, sir?
You know, in fairness to the one who was killed, I cannot comment on that because there is an investigation. It could, equivocal pa ngayon eh. So when it becomes the theory of the case, and there is the result of the investigation, since we are part of the government, whatever recommendation that the NBI would make will be our take on the case. If the NBI says that we filed charges of murder, then I'm sorry to the policemen or concerned. You'll have to face the justice system. And pagka sinabi na kulungin kayo, kulungin. At sabi ko,